Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gaurav Chikarakai, and I welcome you all to another video. Today what we will do is we'll learn how to plant date palm trees. It's not very often that people sow a seed and get the date palm. Here in Dubai, you would find people calling for nurseries to give them 4 or 5 year old trees, because if a seed is put in the ground, first 3 or 4 years, the area those leaves of that tree would cover would be humongous. So to avoid the area occupied by that tree, to avoid that kind of problem, they call for older trees where they are like at least 3 or 4 meters tall, and the circumference or the diameter of the leaves, the area would be covered in the air, not on the ground, because when they're growing up, it's a huge circle. So to avoid that, they do that. Alright, but if you leave these palm trees in a small pot like this, obviously I'll separate them as we go along. If you give them less area in a pot, they would grow accordingly. So if you have a balcony, you have small area, you can start with a seed and you can let it grow in a small pot. That should be good. Alright guys, today I'll be making some pots out of these empty milk bottles, and then we'll plant some seeds. Alright, I'll show you the seeds in a while, but let's get started with the bottles. There you go, that's how you do all of them. I've got like 15 of them, and I'll be making all of them into pots. The reason is you minimize the waste and you get your seeding pots quite cheap. Get those bottles every day, so why not make use of them? today we'll be planting some date palms. I mean, I love dates, I love eating them. So yeah, I had saved the seeds. So let me just prepare some pots. And given the size of the date tree, let's say, I would be putting just 4 seeds in each of these pots. That should be good enough. Obviously then I'll separate them and put them in a container of their size, I mean corresponding size. Hold them in your hand, like index finger and thumb, and just take them in. In fact, I'm putting 5 seeds in one pot. Yeah, that should be good. Like, take 4 corners and 1 in the middle. Don't go too deep, I mean an inch. So it should be good enough. I know there are a lot of videos wherein you use a wet cloth and then a polythene bag to propagate them, germinate them. But yeah, for bigger plants, trees, I mean, they have the capability to go directly into the soil and germinate 95% of the times. So don't worry about it. I got 4. I need more of these. So we'll fill these 2 pots also. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 5, 30 date palms I'm expecting. Alright, let's get it out of the way and wait until they germinate. Let's put some water in these. Couple of things you need to remember while planting a date palm tree. It's very resilient, the seed, so it doesn't matter if you soak it in water overnight or you propagate the small roots in water or a wet cloth. Forget all that, just put them in the soil, that should be good enough. Another thing you need to remember is where do you get these seeds from? You get these date palms from the shops, you eat them, save those seeds, dry them for a couple of days in the sun and you're good enough. Or during summers, these date palm trees here in Dubai, they kind of have fruits, so when they fall, it's kind of ripe and you can pick that up and you can have it in the sun, shady area, sunny area for like a couple of days and your seeds are ready. Alright, so that's it. It's very easy to propagate, and as you know, palm has so many varieties, and this one again looks great in your garden, in your balcony. Smaller the pot, it'll adjust accordingly. So area wise, don't think too much about it. If you have a small pot, grow it in that and it looks beautiful. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. If you did not, check out my other videos and probably you'll be one of my subscriptions here on this channel. Alright, I take your leave now. You have a good day and yeah, grow some plants.